cause of Cancer Patient Aid Association. But he does not know that in 1970 onwards, till today, his grandfather, Raj Kapoor ji and Shashi Kapoor ji have been giving total support by giving premieres of all their films, including starting from Bobby onwards to us. Today we can say that Cancer Patient is on a sound foundation just because of what your grandparents have done. And I'm so happy that today you have followed the tradition of your grandparents, and I'm grateful to you for that particular gesture that you did today, that you took all your time off from various other things and came today for this. Grateful thanks to you. And to
thank you, Mr. Y.K. Sapru. Thank you, Ranveer and Shaina. Maybe that's the reason Shaina went in. She got us this surprise. Shaina, maybe request you to say a few words, please.
Yeah. I think the 3 stars are Rekha Sapru, Sillu Jazdanwala and Y.K. Sapru of Cancer Patients Aid Association. A huge round of applause for them. Because they work tirelessly. We come here, put this show together, and in one day, you're going to see a century. 101 celebrities, different achievers, cancer survivors, doctors, lawyers, actresses, television stars, models, you name it. And I can assure you that every woman going out of this auditorium is going to be happy because she's going to say, I could be here next. And I will look as good as every real person. I have to say very briefly that we need to thank our title sponsor, Mr. Parekh, who is the most humble human being, sitting there, doesn't want to be photographed, has not even come up on stage. So I think the true achiever, as far as the men are concerned, is Mr. Parekh sitting right there.
Go, Mr. Parekh.
Thank you to NSCI Club. My partner for Fevicol today is Vikram Padnis, who is the director of the show. And as far as I'm concerned, I only want to say I want to dedicate this particular show to my father, Nana Chudasma, who is here for the first time out after 6 months. He's taught me one thing, that there are givers and takers in life. The givers sleep well, the takers eat well. So if we all want to be givers, we need to be part of organizations like Cancer Patients Aid Association. And before I conclude, a huge thank you to Asif Kotecha, Gehna Jewelers, our whole backstage team, which is a group of youngsters, all of whom have worked behind the scenes relentlessly. You know how difficult it is to handle one person, to handle 100 different looks. So please pardon us if there are any mistakes, but please keep clapping so you encourage every one of them. And as far as Ranveer goes, I have to say a big thank you first to Bimal Parekh, who's behind the scenes again. But I think Ranveer is truly a Khandani film star. No natak. In one phone call, I explained to him the entire concept, and he said, just tell me exactly what time I need to be there. I will be there, and I will make sure I do whatever you ask me to. And there are very few superstars like that, and we deal with them every day of our life. And in conclusion, Shelja and Dave Jolly, thank you. I think that all the people in the backstage, I'm just going to take 1 minute to mention them because otherwise they all go unnoticed. We have in our team Urvashi Thakre, Mitali, Jasmine, Rakhi. We have Naseem, Fatima, Razna, Shaila, Sunita. All of them have worked so relentlessly. My daughter Shanaya. And I think all the youngsters, we've got a group of young school kids who have supported and really made this show possible. My dream as a designer was always not to see shows where you have anorexic models and 400 people sitting and ogling at them. I always wanted it to be a stadium like this with 10,000 people realizing that fashion is for everyone and glamour has a purpose. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shaina. In fact, there's much to be said about that a little later during the show. Now let me ask Vikram Fadnis to say a few words, the man backstage with...
Short and sweet. I think what Mr. and Mrs. Sabru are doing is 45 years into healthcare, which is my complete lifetime. And I hope that each one sitting over here has not come only to get entertained with fashion, dance and music. And each one, if they can donate something and help some kid in this part of the world, would be great. Thank you for being here.
Mr. Jayati Shah, the president, please welcome and...
Good evening, everybody. Hi. Good evening, Namaste. Thank you, Shaina ji and the Cancer Patients Aid Association for bestowing this honor and inviting me here tonight. My Bua, my father's elder sister, has been battling with cancer since the past few years. Hence, this cause is very close to my heart. I thank the CPA for all the wonderful efforts that they've been showing in spreading awareness of cancer, the causes, the prevention, and the treatment of the disease. The intention of the organization in assisting the needy with the knowledge, with cure, is really marvelous, and I think we all should give a big hand towards that. I guess so. Let us all show compassion towards the cause, and I request all of you to help in any which way that you can towards this organization. Hope you have a wonderful night, and happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers.
All right. Mummiyon ka dil aa gaya tum pe Ranbir Kapoor. All right. With that, I would like to ask Mr. Vaike. How many of you think he should walk right up at least once? Come on, Ranbir. All right, give him a big hand. Come on, Ranbir, walk right up. He'll do flying kisses. Yes. Thank you, Ranbir, for being here for the cause. वैसे मेरी मम्मी भी ऑडियंस में है, लगे आप तो मेरा हाथ मांग ही लो आज तुम। नहीं है। Thank you so much, Ranbir. Ladies and gentlemen, big hand. You just see what happened.